The clock is ticking as my wife prepares to deliver our second child. And the craziest thing is that she wants an unmedicated home birth. If that wasn't enough, in the midst of all of this, we decided to give our daughter a much-needed bedroom makeover. So with limited time and money, will we meet this deadline, or will the due date stop everything in its tracks?
I quit!
I guess you'll have to find out as we continue to turn this house into a home, one room at a time.
In order to create our daughter's dream bedroom, we had to get inspired. From there, we went about designing a mood board. Our daughter is very social and energetic, and she loves color. Finally, we created a bedroom essentials checklist to help us stay focused and on schedule. So now, we're ready to get this started.
In the previous episode,
I swear, next series, interior designer. Just tell me what to get. Because my wife, she be out here, y'all.
It's not welcome. It's welcome. You're welcome. You're welcome. You're welcome. You're welcome.
Okay, do you want a mic? Or are you good?
Maybe I should just drop it now so I know you ain't gonna show it.
Drop it. So I can keep it for my own pleasure.
So without further ado, let's get into the video.
Yo, that ain't no joke. My wife was talking about something not balanced. Let's see what she's talking about. Girl, this is attached. Get out of here. What we're trying to do is get the closet dresser to be just a little bit more. There's a little bit of gap. So I'm just trying to get it more underneath. So what I'm using is shims. And I'm gonna slide them right underneath the dresser. And hopefully it should push it all the way back. All right, let's go. All right, that side's good. This side is tight. Check the other side. All right, it's tight now. No gaps, all good. All right, so we should be good now. Let's do this. Where is my box cutter? I gotta use my washibi saw. Not too difficult for the job for a washibi saw. That one's good. All right, cool. We could work with that. Next side. Why do I do things difficult? I have an oscillating tool. I just do not want to get it. I'm just trying to get this done. Okay. We are golden, guys. This is it. This is it, Bob. We done did it. Yay. Here we go. Let's go. Okay. I gotta take it down. Whew. Okay, cool. Just gotta line up things and should be good, yeah? Yeah? I'm gonna first attach it to this. Let's work on that side. Yeah.
Everything was going great up until this point, and this is when all things started to go wrong.
Oh man, just gotta get knocked in. All right, we'll put that right there. What is that? This is turning out great, guys. just want to let you know I'm a professional. I quit. Today's not my day. Today's not the day. I remember just now when installing this, I want to start from the top. Whoa. Whoa. What the freak? Something is off.
This is when I realized I made a mistake and I had to go about fixing it.
Cool. Now we can actually win. How are you, referee? I should close the door open. You know what? One thing about our marriage, we are a couple that don't storm out on people. No matter how mad we get, don't storm out. But we let each other know. I need to take a break right now. All right, these 3 shelves are there. Okay. Get cut again. That's me getting angry. Really good feedback for myself to see how stupid I look. All right, I think that's good for today. The monkey. So now we made it to the point of adding our trim. Yeah, just call it as it is, trim. The way that I'm doing it, I'm gonna add the trim onto here first. Caulk in between these areas, so in case, it, expand and contracts. And then we're gonna paint it all. So that's what we're gonna do, okay? Let's do it. Testify your grace. What more can I say? Dang. Most difficult part is getting to these corners over here. It's so awkward, yo. The position. And this pin nailer barely fits, yo. This is way too long. So, just finish up these last couple pieces. All right, this is the long one, 2 short ones. All right, let's go do it. What I'm doing is called toe nailing on the end. When I do it from this direction, don't know why it's called that. Toe nail it, I don't know. So your toes don't get nailed in? I don't know. I don't know. Oh, nice, it works. Like I said, y'all, awkward position. Goodness. Super awkward. Dang. I do touch up paint everywhere. All right, so we have to fill these holes. Oh gosh, there's so much sand. Dang. So now it is time to fill these holes. And I'm using this, I don't even know what this material thing is called. What are these called? You guys know? Cork plugs. Oh yeah, dowel rod plugs hole. All right, so yeah, we're gonna put them inside of here. I'm gonna put some glue in there so it won't, come out once I put these dowel rods in there. Let's put it in there. Let's cut it. Time to use the Dremel. All right, kind of works. Definitely making a mess, but it works. And then we'll just fill the rest up with wood filler, and then we'll sand it again. So I'll show you how to find the product. Yeah.
After filling holes and sanding, things are turning out really nice. Now we're ready for the final push to finish this closet.
All right, so what I did was we bought a solid piece of wood, primed it, and then we sprayed it gold so it can go along with the closet look, the gold theme. We have these that we sprayed as well. That's why I was like, we are doing very similar stuff that April Makes Homes did. So it was white, and we decided to spray paint it gold. And it turned out pretty good. It's pretty durable too. Like, it's not just like coming off, super easy. So you see these are two different ones. So this is like the one that you just slide on. Actually, this is the slide in. Go directly in, and then this is like the one that kind of falls into it like this. You kind of see it. So I'm thinking the one that's gonna fall into it, we should just do it on this side. This one to fall into one, we'll do it on this side, and then the slide in one, we'll do it on that side. Should I ask my wife? I'll ask her. You know, I don't want to be wrong again. So which side do you want it to be on? Do you want the slide side to be on this side or that side? Or do you want to just push in this way or that way? This side is easiest. That's what I was thinking too. But you know, I just want to make sure. Cool. Well, let's start drilling. Such an awkward position. How does it look, babe? My big head in the way? I'm trying. Lord, touch up. The 8 inches over here. So we'll do the 8 inches from there. 1 3/4 inches from the top. So I'm using a sharper screw to pre-drill it. And then, girl, I am not talking to you. She's like, okay. Like she actually cares. Yeah, you should try this. You would give up and quit. Husband, help me. Help me. Dad's in distress.
As we near towards the end of this project, I'm adding the final touches of closet rods and shelf pins. And finally adding the drawer handles and putting everything back together so I can get ready to hand it over to my wife.
Here's what our daughter's closet used to look like. And here is the final look of her new and improved closet. I love how it turned out. We're definitely inspired to try this out on our own closet one day. It seems so simple to put together once you've been able to figure out how to do it for the first time. And all of the extra storage space is so worth it. We staged everything here for the final look, but we plan to use those baskets for clothes that she's outgrown, extra art supplies, extra blankets, and other seasonal things like swim gear. I also added a place for all of her hair stuff in that little box of drawers on top of her dresser. It's nice too because she finally has a place to store all her stuffies that usually end up all over the floor. And last but not least, she can reach everything she needs to put together her own little outfit for the day, which she really loves. All in all, I'm so glad that we were able to put this closet together for her room. Stay tuned for the next video as we complete our daughter's bedroom makeover.
Thank you all for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe, hit that notification bell, and comment in the comment section. And until next time, we will see you in the next video.